Here I have NUBIA Red Magic 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So just for an example, let's take one photo with this feature enabled, and now to disable it you go to settings, and here you have mirror mode, mirror the photo when take a selfie. So you just disable it like this, and like just for an example, so as you can see here on this photo we have lightning coming from the left side and on this one from the right side, because these photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.